you have to have a peg to set you off. You know, you can't just dig in blindly. You have to decide, you know, you've got to be looking for something specific. But if you are looking for something, you can generally find it. The present government has, I won't say it's lied, but it's chosen its statistics very carefully to convey a certain impression. All governments do this. It's the job of journalists really to identify when they're doing it and expose it. It's not illegal, it's not even necessarily improper, but readers and viewers should know when governments are doing it so they can form a judgment. There's huge quantities of statistics available in this country. They're all available on the internet. Almost everything we do is measured, surveyed, or counted. So there's a vast amount of data there. And if a politician makes a claim, it's usually possible to check it with the statistics from government departments or from the Office for National Statistics. And you will very often find that the claim they're making, okay, it's supported by one set of statistics, but not necessarily by another. And that's where, you know, they can be quite slippery. Telling the truth is different from what a lot of journalists do, which is trying to achieve balance, you know, avoiding the issue of the truth altogether by just giving both points of view and leaving the reader to make up his own mind. That's very, very common in journalism, particularly television journalism. And it's a kind of abandonment of the duty, which is to try and decide as best you can what the truth is and to convey that in the story. What they should be doing much more, and what I'm trying to encourage them to do, is to actually ask the kind of questions that the real journalists ought to ask. Is this figure right? Where did it come from? You know, it looks a bit funny to me. I need to see the evidence. And the evidence may be there, it may be correct, but the more you look at it, the more often you find these figures are not right.